back to the Chiu Tips channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely week so far and happy Friday. I love Fridays because it's near the weekend and I get to post a new video and chat with you guys. Today's video is very exciting because a lot of you have been requesting this video. It's a skincare routine for teenagers and I'm really excited to do this because I feel like this was a topic a lot of you guys wanted me to talk about, but now I am finally doing it, so here it is. If you're looking for something that's going to be complicated and really out there, this is not the video. I break it down to very simple steps because when you're a teenager, your skin doesn't need all of that crazy stuff. You need something that's simple and that works. And today I'll be sharing with you guys my tips and tricks and hacks for teenage skin that's glowing, that's beautiful, that's radiant, and hopefully pimple-free. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, so hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started!
Step 1, cleanse. But can we just talk about this hairband for a sec? So cute, right? Okay, so first, wet the face with warm water, and to cleanse, I'll be using the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. I recommend this one because it's good for normal to dry skin, dermatologist tested, and it's really just a great simple cleanser for teenage skin. Also, very important is that it doesn't strip away the natural skin's protective barrier and helps remove dirt and oil. Now, a great tip to help open the skin is to place a hot towel over the face, pat it in a few times, and then let it sit for a few seconds, then wipe clean. Step 2, tone. Here I'm using the Thursday Plantation Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Toner. With a cotton pad, I'm going to apply this all over the face and neck. I'm a big believer of tea tree oil, as you guys know, because it's a natural antibacterial ingredient that removes excess oil and bacteria from the skin. The Witch Hazel is a natural astringent that tightens pores and improves the skin's appearance. This is definitely helpful if you have more oilier skin or are more prone to breakouts. Step 3, minimize pores. Here I'll be using the Pure Purple Pore Punisher Mask. I'll be applying this all over my face with a brush. Like I said at the beginning of the video, during your teenage years, breakouts are one thing that all teens are frustrated with, and a trick that really helps with this is minimizing pores and keeping them clear. What I love about this mask is that it's fragrance-free and helps reduce the appearance of blackheads in just 15 minutes. What's in it? Things like charcoal, which is a natural magnet for toxins, witch hazel water, and hydra-boosting glycerin. When it's all on, I'm going to let it dry, which will take about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to peel it off. I gotta say guys, peeling off the mask is one of my favorite things to do. There's just such a good feeling about it. A great tip to help with these peel off masks, if you find it hard to get a corner to lift, just grab a wet towel and lift the edges toward the center of the face and you'll be able to grab a piece and easily peel it off. There's always a few pieces left behind here on the face, here and there, just wipe it off with a wet towel and you're good to go. Now for the last step, moisturize. Here I'm using Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Why? Because this is the cream I used in high school that helped keep my skin hydrated and clear. It's a very simple moisturizer that does the job, which is exactly what teen skincare should be. It keeps my skin moisturized and leaves it smooth, soft, and healthy looking. Also, this tub lasts a long time and all I need is a quarter-sized amount, so a little goes a long way. And now we're done.
And there you have it, a very easy and simple skincare routine for teenagers. I remember when I was in high school, Mama Chiu never really let me do too much with my skin. She was like, you just need to make sure you cleanse your skin, you tone it, you help the pores, because during the puberty period in high school and when you're a teenager, that becomes an issue and that's where the breakouts and everything happen. So if you're able to get a handle on that, you're ahead of the game already. And always obviously use moisturizer, and I always try to go for something a bit more simple, nothing too anti-aging or nothing too, drying or too moisturizing, something very simple in those years, in your teenage years, because you don't want anything too harsh, something that works and that's simple. So if you guys find this video helpful, make sure you let me know below, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you want to see more, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Alright you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye!